told Mom I'd get her a video.
This is the way we wash our feet, wash our feet, wash our feet. This is the way we wash our feet so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our legs, wash our legs.
She's supposed to be sucking on that.
Legs. Yeah, that one's fine. I'm giving her that one to play with. It's empty. This is the way we wash our legs so early in the morning. Good. Here, hold it in the other hand. Hold it in the other hand. This is the way we wash our hands, wash our hands, wash our hands. This is the way we wash our hands so early in the morning. This is the way. Here, other hand. Hold in your other hand, baby. Here, honey. Okay, let Mama get your other hand. Let's get under your armpit. You got some funky armpits. Millie. Are you on camera? Strictly speaking, we don't want boys to videotape you in the bathtub. Just so as you know. This is the way we wash our bellies, wash our bellies, wash our bellies. There you go. This is the way we wash our backs and our butts and our butts. This is the way we wash our backs and our butts and our butts. This is the way we wash our hair, wash our hair, wash our hair. This is the way we wash our hair so early in the morning. Here, she likes this toy too. Millie! Woo! Here, honey. Yeah, be careful. Oh, that cord was wandering. Millie! That was good. That was good. That was good on the video. Video killed the Millie Bug Star. Here, honey, let's get your face. Let's get that silly Millie face. You've got boogies. You've got boogies and sweet potato funk. Because you're Mama's little sweet potato. Because you're Mama's little sweet potato. Millie, hold on. I like doing this too. Where's Millie? There she is!
You do it again.
Millie! Where's Millie? There she is! Here, one more time. It's kind of
One more
fun.
time, and then I'm going to end the video.